2010 Highlander, my visor's broke.
Hanging down, and when it's hanging down, there's really nothing you could do. Basically, you're going to take this cover off right here, and then there's 2 screws under here. You take the 2 screws out, and then you can pull it out. So let me show you what I got. Oh, you want to be careful with this cover though, because the new one doesn't come with a cover, so you're going to try not to bend it. Something soft like a plastic pry bar is good. If you don't have any tools at your house, maybe a butter knife or a flathead. It can work, but just be careful not to bend this. So what you want to do is pull this way. There's an opening on the front. Let's go ahead and get over here. Try to get in here and separate it. Okay. Kind of popped off, and you could just, there's an opening, you could just kind of take it off through the opening like that. We got 2 bolts here, Phillips. I know they're kind of getting blurry on here. All right, Phillips. Go ahead and get both of them out. Back one. And this will just come right out. It might even drop out on you. Now, if you look, that's an electrical connector, meaning this part right here is an electrical connector. So when you plug in, make sure you plug it in the same way. Got my new one here. Here's the part number. Here's what I mean. You just gotta plug it in. I think it only goes one way, so you can't really mess it up. What I would do is plug it in and then get it to where you could put it on this side right here, so it'll just stay in place, so you can put the screws in. You get twisted a little bit up here if you need to. Alright, just like that. And then we will put the screws in. Good. And then the back one. I'll just do each one a little at a time. Alright. Probably just get this one real quick again. And then when you open this, the light should turn on if you have a vanity. And when you close it, the light will turn off. And that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Have a good day.